Hi guys, welcome back to my Sibelius course. It's great to have you here for the fourth session. In this course, my goal is to get you up to speed with music notation quickly. I'll be using a piece by Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart written for a string orchestra. Together, we'll work through the first movement of this piece step by step using Sibelius. You can download this score from the IMSLP website and follow along with me as we notate it. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write simple music score quickly. However, there are some things I won't cover in this course like key signature changes, tempo changes, transposing, instrument changes, drum set notation, woodwind instrument notation, and more. But don't worry, after this course, I'll create a playlist called Sibelius Tips and Tricks where I'll dive into all these topics and more. So, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's get started and have some fun with Sibelius. See you in the next videos.